What's up, guys? A little different video today. Just got back from a mountain bike ride with my 5-year-old and decided to take this thing home for the weekend, see how it drove, and I could not be more impressed. This is an 87 one-owner Survivor. The previous owner unfortunately passed away and we purchased it from his family. It was originally red. They claimed that it had a respray, excuse me, at a certain point, but from what I can tell, I think it was just the rear. The interior is in phenomenal condition, and this is pre-cleanup, by the way. We haven't done anything. Little break in the vinyl there, but to my shock, the original head unit still works, which is cool. AC is cold. It's only got 109,000 miles. He installed overdrive, which is kind of nice. Really fun car to pop around in. It did 70 down the interstate with no problem. I couldn't believe the drivability of this thing. Shifted perfectly, a lot of fun to drive with that little 4-speed. I got a couple bikes on the back at the moment. 109,000 mile 1987. Really fun car to drive. For any more information, give us a shout at 502-459-9900. Stay up to date with our website. We'll be listing this one shortly here in about 3 or 4 days.